Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to change date format in Oracle APEX. First of all, we should need to log in, then go to App Builder, select your app. I am selecting Learning Management System because the major application of my working is Learning LMS. Now go to the share component. Go to application definition and globalization. Globalization, we can see this application date format. Currently I am selecting DS as default. Now I am changing it and show you. If you want to show date and time also with seconds, then select this, and in my case I want to show just date, month, year,